Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to play Bed Wars. So game 1, we need to win this game. I need some blocks. Okay, let's go to diamond generator. Let's kill this dude. Die. Bye bye. And he's dead. Let's break the bed. Now let's upgrade our generator.
Hello
Okay,
there.
let's buy a sword. Oh my gosh.
Bam, bop, bada bop, boom,
Die.
pow.
Die. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Let's rush mid. Okay, let's get this gem. Okay, someone rush it. Someone die. Oh my gosh, I almost died there. So let's quickly get these gems and get out of here. Now let's buy a diamond sword and then diamond pickaxe. Let's buy blocks and then let's buy iron armor and some ender pearl. Let's rush this gray team. Hello, I have diamond sword, sir. Thank you. Die. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's go to yellow team. Break this. They are fighting here. There's a lot of people. Sorry, bro. And not yet. Alright. And bye bye. Let's end their pearl here. Break this. And bye. First game and we win. Now second game. Let's bridge over here. Die, please. Combo. Alright, but my bed is gone, but that's okay. Now let's go to mid. Let's go here. Let's ice break. Oops. Ah, fuck! Now third game. Let's not die at this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's buy swords and let's buy blocks. Now let's go to magenta team. Sorry. Sorry. Now let's rush in the mid.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh. You are... No. No. No, no. 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 Bye-bye. Oh. Now that's my fault. Now let's go to mid now and get those gems to buy diamond sword and pickaxes. Now 18 is a lot. Let's attack someone. So bye bye.
Baba Bowie.
Oh my gosh. 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 Let's buy some diamond sword. Yeah. There. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes sir. Yes sir. Now game 4. We are on igloo. Now let's go to diamond generator. Oh, bro, I'm lagging, bro. Sorry. No teamings.
Bruh.
Yeah, jump off, you little. My gosh. Now let's go to the mid. Yes, sir. Oh, no. Now game 5. Now game 5. Now let's buy blocks and go here. Okay, let's kill this magenta. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now let's go to the mid. Over here. Oh no. Now we have 8 gems, diamond sword. Let's buy pickaxe and ender pearl. Let's crush the red team. Sorry bro, sorry. Let's go to yellow team. Hello.
What the hell?
Now let's rush the gray team. Oh my gosh, he didn't see me. And they're bad cancer. Let's kill the first sir. So we're done. Oh my gosh. This type of player man. So annoying.
Bye, have a great time.
Alright, goodbye. Now let's go blue team. Let's oops. Sir. Just die, sir. Oh. Where am I aim now? And you're gonna die, sir. Sir, you're gonna die, sir. And we up. Oh my gosh! Don't choke me. We won? No? And let's go. So that's it for now, guys. And thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.